Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, friends. Hope you are doing well. I'm Johnny Alom. I'm a trader from Bangladesh. To be honest, in profession, I'm a software developer, but for the past 8 years, I have been trading in Forex market. And for the past 2 years, I am trading Forex full time. Friends, I just love trading. Trading gives me financial freedom and create a huge opportunity for me to work from home online. In this YouTube channel, I will share my full trading journey, the strategies I use, things and methods that didn't work, and most importantly, I will share my daily trading historical data to you guys. Today, let me show you my trading history of yesterday. So friends, today it is 28th of March and this is my historical data from 27th of March. These are all the trade that I took yesterday, and I already made $1,300 yesterday. Friends, according to my trading strategy, I use 3 different lot sizes or risk parameter to my trade that I took yesterday. You will see lots of trades in my trading history, and according to my strategy, I find lots of signals on a daily basis. Okay, I have one question for you guys. Do you want me to trade on your Forex account? Then please guys, do knock me on my Telegram. I put my Telegram link in the description of this video. Some of you are wondering how I am able to make this amount of money, $1,300, by using small lot sizes like 0.07, 0.12 and 0.20. But let me share some secrets about my trading system. As I trade on the lower time frame, just like I mentioned earlier, I'm a full-time trader and I just love trading. I trade between 12:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. 10 hours every single day, and I didn't never get bored. As I trade on 5 minutes and 1 minute time frame, so you guys can understand that I am trading all day long and I'm really busy trading each and every single day. Also guys, I love to teach people. Teaching has been one of my great passion. So in this YouTube channel, apart from sharing my trading journey and my daily trading history, I will also introduce my trading system to you guys. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want me to trade on your Forex account, then please let me know on my Telegram. And these are all the trades that I take place yesterday, and I will share my trading history tomorrow. So please, if you like my video, then please share this video with your friends, and see you on my next video. Until then, take care.